Hello, this is Edgardo Castellano, and I'm going to present to you a concept about computer networking. To do that, I am going to make an illustration that could actually happen in many office situations. So this is the scenario. I am a consultant for a medical office with 5 administrative employees, 3 doctors, and 2 nurses. I have been hired to make these people aware of fundamental data communication and internet concepts so that they can make intelligent decisions about the wireless network that they want to set up. So my solution for this concern is computer networking. A network is a collection of computers and devices connected together via communications devices and transmission media. Many businesses network their computers together to facilitate communications, share hardware, share data and information, and share software. So I pasted an image on this slide to show an example of a computer network. So this is a collection of computers. These are workstations and 2 printers and also devices. I have a modem and a router, a hub, a server. So this is an example of a network. There are 2 purposes of a network. One is sharing hardware. In a network environment, each computer on the network can have access to hardware on the network. Businesses and home users network their hardware to save money. For example, it would be costly to provide each user with the same piece of hardware, such as a printer. If the computers and a printer are connected to a network, each computer user can access the printer on the network as they need it. The second purpose is sharing data and information. In a network environment, any authorized computer user can access data and information stored on other computers on the network. For this example, the medical office might share a database containing patient health information. So this is an enlarged image of the proposed network for the medical office. So I have 5 workstations for the administrative employees. Could be used by the office accountants, the medical biller, or the person in charge for insurance claims, and one for general office transactions. And these 3 workstations here can be assigned to the 3 doctors in the office, and these 2 workstations can be assigned to the nurses working in the medical office. And I have 2 printers that can be shared by all users in the system, and I have a hub and a server and a device that is a combination of a modem and a router. Sometimes there's 2 separate devices, one is a modem, one is a router, but sometimes they come in one device. And this is the internet. So all the workstations have access to the internet with the use of a modem and a router. So let me explain each device. First of all, a local area network is a network that connects computers and devices in a limited geographical area, such as a home, a school computer laboratory, office building, or closely positioned buildings. Also, each computer or device on the network is called a node. So if you go back, all the workstations, they're called a node. Each of these is a node. And then they share resources such as printers, large hard disks, and programs. Often nodes are connected via cables. A local area network can also be wireless. A wireless local area network uses no physical wires, but the computers and devices must have built-in wireless capabilities. So what is a LAN server? This is a server of the network. A server is a program, and by implication, usually the computer it runs in. So this is a server, contains a program that serves the resources of the system, like the files, storage, application programs, printers, and other devices. So the server serves the resources for a number of attached workstations. So the server manages the resources for all the workstations in the system. And what is a cable modem? A cable modem is a digital modem that sends and receives digital data over the cable television network. Cable modems are primarily used to deliver broadband internet access. So this is the internet, and the modem and the router provides access to the internet for all the workstations. What is a router? A router is a communications device that connects multiple computers and transmits data to its correct destination on a network. So you both need a modem and a router to access the internet. You cannot do it with a modem alone. Especially in a network, we have many users. The router will direct the traffic of the access to the internet. And then we have a hub or a switch. A hub or a switch is a device that provides a central point for cables in a network. A hub or switch receives data from many directions and then forwards it to the one or more destinations. It's like the hub controls the traffic of the communications among the users of the system. So to summarize, the purpose of local area networks are the following: to connect to the internet at the same time, that's for all the users, share a single high-speed internet connection, and access files and programs on the computer in the office, and share peripherals such as printers, scanners, external hard disk, or optical disk drive. So in this example, the server might contain programs and or a database like the employee and the patient's health records. The doctors and nurses can access those programs and database from the server, sharing the resources from the server. I think this is the appropriate solution for this particular concern. Thank you very much for your time.